What's up, y'all? Ian with the Blood Mountain Boys here, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is a just dreary, cold, wet, wintry Atlanta day today. But that being said, I do have the day off, and so I'm on my way to go over to the gym and get a workout in, try to get swole, and then after that, I'm going to go home and get some lunch, and then why don't we do some woodworking, specifically some carving today. Let's get it. So I'm headed to Home Depot right now. The project that we're doing today is we're going to get started on a bit of a gift for Trent. So it's his birthday. And so for those of you that know me, for my close friends and family, they all know that I like handmade, like handcrafted gifts. This year for Christmas I did like a bunch of jams and jellies and apple butter and homemade pickles and a lot of tasty things like that. So homemade gifts to me really, especially like very well handcrafted gifts, mean a lot more than going out and getting something. So for Trent, I decided to do some wall art. Now there are these like subdivided paintings and wall art pieces, kind of like that right there. And so I'm going to do one of those, but I'm not doing a painting or anything. Of course, I'm going to do some woodworking and some carving. I think we're going to incorporate some epoxy as well. So the plan is to do a green mana symbol from Magic the Gathering. It looks like something like that right there. So we're going to hand draw it and then hand carve it and fill it with green epoxy. So let's get over to Home Depot and get some supplies, and then we'll get back and start drawing it out and sketching it up. So the first thing we're going to grab is mixing containers. The reason we're going to get some of these is for mixing our two-part epoxy. They're all marked with ratios on the side. It really helps you get the proper volume, and then volume markings on there as well. So we're going to get 3 of these. So the next thing we're going to look at is wood and boards. I'm going to go with this red oak, or actually I think this might be white. I'm going to go with this oak. It's about 7 1/4 inches wide, and this is what it'll end up looking like, the width with all 3 spaced out. I really only need these 2 boards on the right here because that's going to be plenty for me. I can split one of them in half and use one board. So I'm going to get these 2 on the right and on to the next thing. Alrighty, we got everything we were looking for, and the sun has finally come out a little bit. So let's head back to the house and get these boards cut to the right length, and then start doing some drawing. Alrighty, so we have all 3 pieces ripped down to 2.5 feet or 30 inches. What I've done actually is to take a little brad nail, put it dead center, and then ran a piece of string over. What we're going to do is we're going to take a pencil and tie the pencil over here, and then this will act as a compass so that we can put a perfect circle around this piece. reason why I had to wait until you got here to finish out the video is because it's for you.
Is it? Oh, dude, is this? I think I know what this is.
Your wall.
Dude, that's dope. Oh
So,
my
yeah.
god. So it's supposed to go like that?
Yep. Like a hitch and a half or in the wall.
I'm gonna put it in there so I don't forget.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.